Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add gift cards to your Airbnb account. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now at the account settings section, go to the payments and payouts menu, and here, as you can see, there are two different sections at the payments and payouts section. The traveling section, where you can manage your traveling payment related options like payment methods, your payments, and credit and coupon codes. That's what we are interested in right now. But below that you can see the hosting options with the payout methods, tax info, and transaction history. Now, to add gift cards to your account, you just have to open up the credits and coupons option, and the gift cards are going to be the first one. As you can see, gift credit, redeem a gift card and find your credit balance. So to add a gift card, you just have to tap here, and you can add your gift card details here. And when you have provided all the details for your gift card, it's going to appear here. And on the right side, as you can see, it says $0 because I did not apply any gift cards yet, but you will see the value of your gift cards here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.